Good morning, students. Today we discuss about 12th D accountancy afternoon video. So in this afternoon video, we continue the same chapter, accounts from incomplete records. So in order to more understanding in this chapter, we already discussed about how to prepare profit and loss account under conversion method. So under conversion method, before preparation of a trading account, profit and balance sheet, the business concern should prepare 4 major accounts. That is total debtors account, bills receivable account, total creditors account, bills payable account. In the previous classes, we discussed about the specimen and how to prepare these 4 accounts. So in this class also, we should discuss one more example combining all the 4 accounts: total debtors account, bills receivable account, total creditors account, bills payable account. So in this example 16, from the following details, you are required to calculate credit sales and credit purchase by preparing total debtors account, total creditors account, bills receivable account and bills payable account. So based upon the 4 ledger, they are asking to find out total credit purchase and credit sales. No total purchase, no total sales. They are asking to find out credit purchase and credit sales. So let us see the example sum. In this example sum, opening and closing balance of 4 items are given. That is debtors opening 60,000, closing 55,000, bills receivable opening 5,000, closing 1,000, creditors opening 25,000, closing 28,000, bills payable opening 2,000, closing 3,000. And then other information is also given, that is cash received from debtors 1,30,000, discount allowed to customer 3,500, cash paid to creditors 70,000, discount allowed by supplier 3,500, payment against bills payable 7,000, cash received for bills receivable 14,000, bills receivable dishonor 1,200 and bad debts 3,500. So based upon the opening and the closing balances and other informations, they are asking to find out credit sales, credit purchases by preparing 4 ledgers. And out of the specimen of 4 ledgers, you should post all these informations in respective ledger account, either debit side or credit side. In case of a debtors account, first you should take balance opening and closing. So in total debtors account, to balance brought down 60,000, by balance carried down 55,000 as per the specimen. And in bills receivable account, as per the specimen, to balance brought down 5,000, by balance carried down 1,000. In total creditors account, to balance brought down 25,000, by balance carried down 28,000. In by balance brought down 25,000, to balance carried down 28,000. Opening in creditors account, opening should be credited, closing should be debited. In bills payable account, by balance brought down opening 2,000, to balance carried down closing 3,000. And cash received from debtors, in total debtors account, it should be credited by cash 1,30,000. Discount allowed to customer, in debtors account, to by discount allowed 5,500. Cash paid to creditors, in total creditors account, debit side, to cash paid 70,000. Discount allowed by suppliers, in total creditors account, debit side, to discount received, that is allowed by supplier means we are receiving the discount 3,500. Payments against bill, in bills payable account, to cash 7,000. Cash received for bills receivable, in bills receivable account by cash 14,000. bills receivable dishonor. In bills receivable account, credit side by debtor within bracket bills receivable dishonor. In bills receivable account, credit side by debtor within bracket bills receivable dishonor. Amount is 1200. Bad debts. In total debtors account, credit side by bad debts, rupees 3500. So as per the specimen, first you should go through the information given in the sum and you can remember it in your mind what are the items should be debited and what are the items should be credited in each and every account as per the specimen, and then you can open the various ledger and post it in the respective ledger in correct side, either debit side or credit side as per the specimen. So let us see the ledger. So in this illustration there are 4 ledger are making, that is first total, first bills receivable account, So in bills receivable account, as per the specimen, opening should be debited, to balance brought down 5000 by cash, that is cash received for bills, amount is 14,000 by balance carried down, that is closing balance, bills receivable closing balance 1000 by debtor, that is bills receivable dishonor, amount is 1200, while balancing the bills receivable account, debit side only one amount 5000, credit side 3 amounts, the total of the 3 amount is 16,200. So it is the highest total. So write this highest total both the sides, debit side and credit side, write the highest total, same line both the sides. Subtract 5000 from 16,200, the balance is 11,200. So it is the 1 year bills receivable value, 1 year bills receivable value, that should be written as to debtors account within bracket balancing figure 11,200. That should be taken to total debtors account credit side. This amount will be taken to total debtors account credit side. So next account is total debtors account. As per the specimen, you should make the columns, necessary column, and then first you should write the opening debtors to balance brought down 60,000 as per the specimen, and then by cash received from debtors, the amount is 1,30,000, and then by discount allowed customer, amount is 5,500, by bad debts, it is also given in the sum 3,500, and then by bills receivable account 11,200. This amount is taken from bills receivable ledger, bills receivable account 11,200. That should be taken to credit side of total debtors account by bills receivable account 11,200. And from the bills receivable account in credit side by debtor bills receivable dishonor, the amount is 1,200. That should be taken to debit side of total debtors account to bills receivable dishonor 1,200. So then by balance carried down closing debtors 55,000. So after writing all these informations given in the sum, these information are given in the sum, only we should take bills receivable account 11,200 from the bills receivable account. All other information are given in the sum itself. And then after writing all the informations, you should balance the ledger. In debit side only 2 amounts are there, 60,000 and 1,200, so 61,200. In credit side 5 amounts are there, add all the 5 amounts, the total is 2,05,200. It is the highest total, so write the highest totals both the sides, debit side and credit side, 2,05,200. You should subtract 61,200 from 2,05,200. The balance is 1,44,000. This 1,44,000 is credit sales. 1,44,000 is credit sales. It should be written as to credit sales within bracket balancing figure. And then bills payable account. Bills payable account. First you should write opening. As per the specimen, Opening bills payable will be credited. By balance brought down 2000. And then to cash paid, bills paid 2000. That is 7000. It should be debited as per the specimen. And then closing balance, to balance carried down, bills payable, closing balance 3000. After adding these three amounts, you should balance the bills payable account. First add the debit amount 10,000. In credit side only 2000 is there, so 10,000 is the highest amount. Write the amount in both the sides, debit side and the credit side 10,000. From 10,000 subtract 2,000, the balance 8,000 will come. That 8,000 is called as bicentennial creditors. That is 1 year bills payable. During the year, the value of bills payable is 8,000. That should be written as bicentennial creditors. And then total creditors account. Total creditors account. So in this total creditors account, you should write all the information given in the sum as per the specimen. You should write the amount. You should write the amount in the balance. So by balance brought down 25,000. So with that we conclude this video. We can continue the same sum in the evening video. Thank you.